natin. Dapat alam mo yung Comelec kasi...
Bakit?
Okay, go. Ito na.
Bakit?
Why?
In English, in English.
Because I love... Because tonight I'll be tonight.
Because love disappears and courage doesn't.
Good answer. Okay.
Yun ay.
Mr. Pogi. My girlfriend ba ang...
Yan, Joseph.
In English, in English.
Will choice yun.
Beauty or intelligence?
Ay, ay, ay.
English.
English.
Na-blanco na. Na-blanco na, Gib.
Ano ba tanong?
Wait lang daw, wait lang. Ano na siya? Naghang.
Sino pumatay? Sino pumatay kay Matela? Ano yung live natin? Vince!
Wala na. Patay na.
Five, four.
Oh. Tagalogin niyo na nga.
Sabihin nyo kasi. Sabi mo intelligent ka kasi. Hindi mo sino sabi na. Pero ano no? Pero ano ka nang...
Because intelligence
Uy, may dadaan pa. Is precious.
Is.
Kiss na yan. May gusto halikan, no?
Kiss na, kiss. Kiss na.
reading pre. Is great. Is great.
And...
Mink na siya.
Namumula. Okay, next ko. Nahulog na po yung dress niyo.
Oh, next.
And then for your question po,
Ano parang graduation?
for your question po,
Ano po?
are trans women a part of the women's month?
Ano daw?
Are trans women a part of the women's month?
Yes, President Sally.
Why do you think that they are part of the women's month? Para mag-object ka.
Yeah. Why?